So let's take a quick moment and talk about something else that's very important to game development. What format your images are in. Now, typically on the internet, when you find photos or pictures of cats just floating around on random web pages, it's actually in a JPEG format. JPEG was developed some time ago by a joint efforts group from some of the industry's largest contributors. Now, when I say a while ago, I actually mean back in, the early days of the internet, back when Al Gore still rode the moonworm through the plains of Andadath. Another type of image format that you can use on the internet today is actually one called PNG. Now, where JPEG gives you better size comparison, PNG lacks in that department. However, PNG does give you one important feature: transparency. JPEG itself gives you better compression formats, but doesn't allow you to use transparent pixels in your scene, which means the general rule of thumb is that if you have an image on the internet that doesn't require it to be transparent, you should probably be using JPEG. If it requires alpha, you need to be using PNG. Now, the cool thing about the internet is that it's always moving forward, and new technologies are being developed every day to make the experience for end users better. Besides JPEG and PNG, there's a new image format coming down the pipe called WebP. WebP offers an interesting ground. First off, it has compression ratios similar, if not better in some cases, than JPEG, but also allows you to have alpha transparency supported by PNG. Therefore, we have with this new image format the ability to get good compression and alpha transparency where we need it. Don't you love the internet?